Waluigi, I'm so bored. I know. When is Brothard gonna get back with the groceries? I don't know. Oh wait, I think I see him over there. Okay, Wario, I came back from the grocery store. And I have this Lego set that was on sale there for you. Oh yay, a Lego set. I know. Here, Wario. Has the instructions and everything. Uh, I'm gonna go make myself a sandwich. Waluigi, we need to build this Lego set. I know, Randy. We need to build this Lego set. I'll bring it on the table. Okay. Okay, Randy, let's go. Wait, Randy, what is that Lego figure? Oh, it's my Lloyd Lego figure from Ninjago. It's super cool. Put it down. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, let's open it. Okay, get out. Radio. Okay, got it out. Radio, you got it out wrong. Okay. Well, it's gonna take a really long time. Let's get the instructions. Okay, we have the first three parts. Okay, so we already have that piece. Okay, now you put two of these. We already have them in the green top. Okay, yeah, we have it. Okay, next page. Okay, okay, Waluigi, we have that done. Okay, now the next page. Okay, so yeah, do that. Okay, I see it. Okay, so I get this piece and put it right here. Oh, okay, so I gotta put it. Okay. And this is how. Okay. Oh, hold on. I think I'll do it this side. Okay. Okay, so they go like this. Okay. Okay. And I got it on. Yes. Well, when you don't know how to put on Legos, be quiet, Waluigi. I don't see you helping. Okay, fine. I'll help. Okay. Okay. A black one right here. A black one right here. Okay, got it. I helped. Huh. Yeah, you did. Okay, next page. Okay. Hold on, this is gonna take a while. I know. Okay, let's do it. But first I need to start. Nom 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 nom. Okay, we have half the body done. I know. Okay. This piece. Okay. This is hard. Okay. Put it here. That looks good. Wait, you shark. Hey! Final two. Wait, you stop it. It's not working. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, done. I can't believe that actually worked. I told you, Waluigi. Right, Lloyd? Yes. Wait a minute. Did Lloyd just talk? No, he didn't. You're crazy, Waluigi. He can't talk. He's a toy. But he just... Okay, I already put it there. Okay, I'm gonna build. No, damage, you're not gonna work. Yes, it is. No, Randy, it's not gonna work. Yes, it is. Randy, I told you to stop. No, I'm not. Randy, just stop it. It's not gonna work. It already worked the first time. It's not gonna work again. Yes, it is. Okay, I did it. How does that even work? I don't know, Waluigi. You tell me. But okay, now I'm gonna build the head. Okay, put it like that. I think that's how it goes. Okay, let's see it. Oh yeah, that's how it goes. Oh wait, I did it wrong. Look how it's playing about. Okay, I did it. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, it says to get these two pieces now. Put them right. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm doing it. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think I got it. Come on, get out. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, put the teeth, I think. Come on, get on, get on, get on. Huh, Wario, you don't know how to put it on. Yes, I do. Wario, no! Wario, you already did it. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, good. How do you even do that? That's my question. Okay, now we have to put these two clear green things on. Okay. Okay. Radio, don't say it. Don't say what? Don't say it. Don't say what, Waluigi. Don't say it. Oh yeah, I completely forgot I'm gonna do it. No, radio. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna build. Oh, you're no fun. Okay. Okay. A little bit right here. Go get on. Okay, I got him on. Okay, now the eyes. Simple. Okay. Come. Okay. Oh yeah, I got him on. Okay, well, we finished it. I know. Okay, gotta carefully put it on. Get on. Yeah, get on. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I know, it's beautiful. Except the eyes are crooked. What are we gonna do now? I don't... I got the greatest idea. What is it, Daniel? That is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go do it right now. Okay? Tell me how it goes. I love these cheese crackle things. They're so good. Whoa! That was so funny. Oh my god. That was hilarious. This dragon looks weird though. How come there's only a green one and not a red one, a blue one, and a gray